Hello students, this is Anjana Sharma from Angrezi Pathshala, and today in this video we are going to discuss some of the poetic devices used in the poem The Road Not Taken. So let's start. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Here you can see that when we read this line, the picture is created in our mind. So the pattern of images or pictures which come in the mind from what is written in the poem, such poetic device is called imagery. So imagery has been used here in this line. Again you can see here, and both that morning equally lay, no step had trodden black. When we read these lines, the pattern of images or pictures, they come into our mind. So such poetic device is called imagery. Next figure of speech in these lines is assonance. What is assonance? Here you can see O sound is getting repeated in this line. Again you can see here sorry, could, both. In the third line also one long stood, and in fourth line also looked down one could. So O sound is getting repeated in all these lines. So the repetition of vowel sound in nearby words is called assonance. So this poetic device is used in the first stanza. Now let's see the next one. Personification has also been used in this poem because it was grassy and wanted wear. So wearing is a human trait, but here we are using this for the road. So the figure of speech which is used for an inanimate object or animal or bird look or feel human, their personification has been used. So here you can see that personification has been used here to express the line. Another one is metaphor. Metaphor is used in the entire poem. Because the poet is metaphorically comparing the path in the wood to the choices one must make in life. So in this way, the whole poem is a metaphor, as we are comparing the roads with the two choices in our life. So the entire poem is a metaphor.